Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn aerospace engineering on your own. First, build a solid foundation in core sciences. Focus on physics, particularly mechanics and thermodynamics, which are crucial for understanding flight and propulsion. Simultaneously, strengthen your mathematical abilities, covering calculus, linear algebra, and differential equations. A basic grasp of chemistry, especially regarding materials science, will also prove incredibly beneficial as you progress. Next, immerse yourself in the fundamentals of aerospace engineering. Begin with aerodynamics to grasp how air flows over wings and generates lift. Then, delve into propulsion systems, understanding the principles behind jet engines and rocket thrust. Don't forget to explore aircraft structures and the advanced materials, like composites and aluminum alloys, that make modern flight possible. To solidify your understanding, apply what you've learned through practical exercises. Explore free online courses from universities and use open-source simulation software to model aerodynamic forces. Consider building small projects, such as a model rocket or a simple drone, to gain hands-on experience. Connecting with online communities of aerospace enthusiasts can also provide invaluable insights and collaboration opportunities. Finally, broaden your horizons by exploring advanced topics. Delve into orbital mechanics if space exploration interests you, understanding how satellites stay in orbit. Keep an eye on cutting-edge developments, such as electric propulsion and advanced manufacturing techniques. Aerospace engineering is a dynamic field, so continuous learning and adapting to new innovations are key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.